Ooh, the machines. Yeah, everybody like it. Everybody love it. I personally love it. But if I will have one, probably not because it's super expensive, super. It's not easy to maintain. It's like a more like a headache and consume a lot of the energy. I don't care about the green stuff. No, I don't care. I don't care about that. I talk about the bill I have to pay eventually if I have a time machine because your bill is gonna skyrocket. Okay, and right now we don't wanna like spend more money because everything here, at least in the US, is everything's go very expensive now. So that's the reason on this video. Actually, it's not just one video, so I will make like a series of 3 videos because I never tried any of the universal audio tape plugins they have. And also, like a couple days ago, they sent me an email about their best tape plugin they have, and then now it's gonna be native. It's super cheap right now. So after this, let's see if we buy it or not because trust me, the same as you, probably you have this problem. I'm tired of buy something and something like I will use maybe once or maybe never. Okay, so let's go to Pro Tools. All right, so this is the plugin itself. By the way, the band today is Night probably is the same band I used on the last video. Yes, they do metal, so this is I mean this is your first time watching me, if you like this kind of music, go to the description box and then you will see a link of the band, okay? And for the people new here, this is the EP. No, I mean split I did with them probably last year, and with an Italian band called Burial. Yeah. So I did. I mean, yes, I recorded, mixed it just their side. Okay. So, but this is as you see in the session. This is the road tracks. So if you want to listen to how it sound, the real master. So what is how it sound on the vinyl? That's what I mean. So you can check it out on the link below. So, but for purpose of this video, I prefer use our nothing, no plugins. Actually, all this is in bypass. So forget the real sound of the plugin. Okay. So okay, this is the plugin itself. By the way, this is not your regular tape machine because mostly of the tape machine plugins are in base of the 2-inch machines, of the 2-inch like tapes, because those 2-inch are better for recording. Okay, probably you will see pictures here or there. That's the reason they have another plugin with a 24 channel tape machine. This is for mastering, but on the same time works pretty cool for mixed. That's what I say on the manual. Like I said before, this is the first time I will try this. Okay, so that's the reason on the head of the tape, you get 1 inch, which is the max, half inch, or 1/4, and then that will change the sound. Okay, so let's see. Oh, by the way, if you see this plugin in other YouTube videos, they have a new skin. Probably that skin is gonna be for a native. This is under the DSP, chips the my Apollo have. So probably that looks like a little different, but pretty much is the same plugin. Okay, it's me, Editor Yahweh, with my assistant. Anyway, so I'm doing this because yes, this is an spoiler alert. I bought the plugin. The plugin sounds cool, and also have a new skin, but that new skin is only for the native version. So you will see picture here there. So if, like I said, on the video, if you saw another YouTuber doing this video with a different type of the skin, that's the reason, because the version using the DSP chips on the Podos looks like this video, but if you buy it and also you got the native version, looks like this. So yeah, back to the video. So you have the reproduce and record. This is your input and output. Okay, so do you see this red arrow? So that's supposed to be this is the proper input level, and record is the output. So put it in that way, okay? And also you have open. This is to see like a way more if you want to calibrate it. You have a left shelf EQ, repro high filter, probably repro low filter, bias. You have transformers on tape delay. We can see just a little bit how we sound this. Okay, so but that one, if you're a bit very nerdy, so okay, I want a specific sound. There is, so you have it. If I use it, probably not, because I don't care. I just want the tape, saturation, harmonics, and that's it. Of course, if you are more adventurous, you can use it too. So you put close, it's gonna close that. And link is pretty much, you're using like in a stereo track, and then you wanna have like a different settings for left or right. It's just that the emphasis EQ is for, I don't remember which it is. Let me change this. Yeah, probably it's gonna be there. No, huh? Why it doesn't change? So I've totally forgot. Okay. Check it out. On 30, okay. Like I told you, this is the first time I play with this plugin. Okay, so I play this plugin with you guys. So I'm discovering this plugin together. Okay, so the emphasis EQ is like how will sound like a more American sound or more like a European sound. I don't remember which is which, but we can play with that later. Okay. And you have the power off, the power on, and also you have your speed levels. 30 is for mastering. If you want to get the whole thing, that's pretty much is because this, because this is a master tape. So you have 30, and also you have 15. So put it at this, 30 is gonna sound everything right. And then if you go down, it's gonna start darker and more lo-fi. So lo-fi, high definition, low definition. Okay, so this is the speed. If you want to know way more deeply what is because this is the ISP, I have a video about it, so go there. Okay, so I don't wanna be focused on this, but you wanna listen how it sounds in the different speeds. And also you have the tapes. This is different model tapes. You can see this change. Okay. And also you have the calibration. This is like if I don't remember, this is nanoweaver or nanoweaver. I don't remember what is the real pronunciation. You can see that on the manual. Basically, for example, how magnet teams, probably I will say this wrong word. If I say wrong, you will see the proper word here, there. But how much magnet teams go in the tape, okay? And like I said before, this is the head, okay? It's gonna change drastically. Sync, I don't remember that. If I told you this right now about this sync, this sync Dixie mode, I will lie you. I don't remember that right now. Input is like how will sound the sound on the input, but without the whole machine stuff, Repro is like the play, so that's as the real sound. So with the all transformers plus the tape, and true is pretty much the signing has gone through with any processing. That's pretty much is another way to say bypass, because do you see this light I put here? But a repro is not engaged the bypass. True bypass. So I can put it off, on, yeah. And let's see how it sounds, because that's the mostly important. So by the way, I will use this on drums, guitars, and on the master bass. Okay. So all right, let's see how it sounds. Let me mute. Okay, I mean solo. Bypass, engage. Yeah, start to sound like a tape. That's cool. I try to see my levels, okay? Cool. So this is the input level. This is the output level. Of course, we can drive this, let's see the one there. Yeah, that's cool. Let's see this. So 30, I don't know why I can choose this, but that's how the plane, was developed. But let's see the tape. Okay. Yeah, different sounds right there. Calibration, let's see. Okay. It's like a get more harmonics. It's crazy. Wow, that sounds cool. Huh. Let's see my let's see the different speeds. Okay, that's 30, 15, 7, and 3.75. Ah, and also the temp change here. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, that's cool. So I have a bunch of options. All right. 15 sounds cool. I really love 15 for this kind of music. Yeah. You know what? This because I start to clip it. I don't like that. Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, this is where stop there. Now let's focus on the emphasis EQ. Okay, so let's wait for the other drums coming up. There it is. Bypass. Wow. That's more effects in the. I mean, those are the effects for the solo. So never mind. It's only one quarter. Okay. Open. Haha, that's crazy. Off. That is on transformers. Off, on, noise, on. Crosstalk. Okay. Okay, I prefer use the auto calibration. Let's see this. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, the tape sounds cool. Nine. Let me stop this. All right. So pretty good, right? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Now let's move forward with the guitars. Yo, don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe, and share this. Also, don't forget I can mix and master your band online. So just send me the tracks and then I will do all the magic. So back to the video. Okay. Same amount of level. Damn, 15 sounds cool. This is darker. Okay. Okay. 375 in these settings. Have the dirtiness like a mayhem. I don't know why I have that idea right now. This is crazy. Whoa, this is so cool. Wow, the guitars now sound like a super lo-fi, but in a good way. You see this? No, I stick with the 15. I like this. Bass. Yeah, I really like this playing on guitars better than the drums. Okay. Okay, let me stop this. Now let's move forward to the master bus, and because this is the shining of this playing on the master bus, on the guitars. Surprised me so good. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, cool. Let's move forward. Okay. Holy! Oh my god, sounds rich! That's crazy! Okay, let's see. Assis. Okay, I don't see too much difference here there. Assis, let's see the speeds, okay? Wow. 15 sounds better. This is crazy. It's supposed to be better in 30, but okay. I will deal with what I have right now later. Okay, let's focus on this. Let's see. No? Huh. Depending of the tape, everything changed so drastically, which is good at the same time because you have more options. Wow. Whoa. Let's go 30. Okay. 900. Now I stick with the 15. Remember that it's not always 15 is better. Depends on what kind of music. Depends what you want. But for example, for this particular band and recording, 15 is the king. Just in case, not always 15 is the best. You have to play around too. Okay, like it's the thing I do. So when I have a plugin, I always play here. What happens if I choose it? What happens if the other? This is the only way you can appreciate how the plugin works. And then if you like it, buy it. I guess I will spend money now. Oh my god! Wow. I don't know. I prefer a quarter at this time. Okay, now let's do something crazy, okay? Let's select the master boss, the guitar, and drum group, and listen how it sounds without in the whole mix, without and with, okay? Bypass in the whole mix. Without, with. Okay. Stop this guy. Whoa. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I don't have no words right now. One of my favorites is Mac DSP analog channel 2. That reminds me the low end, same of the this NIF, these 542s, but this is a completely different beast. And ooh, I guess I have a new favorite tape playing. And now I'm thinking, what if I combine this, the real one, with this one in a real mixing? Wow. Oh, and the thing I totally forgot to tell you is like a, remember I told you about the 15 versus the 30? Here I have 15 and 32. I have those options. And for example, here, because this is the analog of, thing, 30 sounds clear and the 15 sounds like a little more dirtier. And like I said before, depends what you want and also depends what you are looking for. But in this case, a 15 sounds, it's not darker or way more high end. Sounds like a better. But like I said, now depends what you want and depends what you're looking for. But yeah, wow, I will buy it. I have a coupon. I will buy it. And yeah, I hope you really like it. Bye guys. See you.